Female motorcycle door dasher crashes in China.
Okay, so I'm gonna go, this is a huge market up here to my left. Okay, so now I gotta start watching for her. She's probably not far away. Let's make sure this app is updating. Isn't. Okay, whoa, whoa. Watch where I'm going. Somebody watch where I'm going. This is a big, huge ethnic festival right in this area going up to my right, up the hill. There's probably 1,000 food vendors just going up the hill here on that road. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 1 minute ago. Uh-oh, I think she might have turned around. No, she's getting closer. She's got a pink helmet and a yellow coat. She could turn and go a different way anytime. But oh, here she comes, I think. That's her, I see her, I think. Yep, I see her. Here we go. There she is. Hi! I found you. How's it going? Yeah. Okay, I'll follow you. Okay, so she's probably making a delivery or a pickup, I'm not sure which. Anybody there in chat? Okay, that was cool. I got a guy behind me that's beeping. Look at her pull away on me already. I got held up just a hair there. Okay, we're getting up close to that festival. Oh, I love this shit. I used to race motocross. And this is better. Oh, she crashed. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. I'll help you, hold on.
Unfortunately, I knocked my head cam off jumping off the bike to help.
Good. Okay, put your thing. Woohoo! Oh my gosh.
She broke the phone mount and a mirror, so had to reinstall them.
Okay.
She's all in one piece, no injuries, and looking good. She lived to dash another day.
I want you to put so fine.